hydrostatic drive. It's got a 50-inch Mower deck, 3 blades. It's got 4 new tires. Not that was when I purchased the machine. The tires, the machine had been sitting outdoors when the people had used it, so it didn't get TLC, and the tires were rotted. So I bought 4 new tires for it, and mounted those up yesterday. The Mower deck has been taken off. The grease fittings on the spindles have been all done. The blade's been taken off, resharpened. Engine PM'd. Body work been cleaned up on the machine. So all the wheels have been off. The bearings, spindles, all greased, and everything is all up to date. So she's ready to rock and roll. It's got 114, just turned 114 hours. So the engine is in really good shape. So hopefully it'll last us quite some time with proper care.
So we can let the goats go now, I guess, right?
Yeah, we were not going to have to order the goats for a little bit yet.
Thank you, Byron.
Yeah.
I gotta look over and see what he got some, if he's got a. That is half inch.
Huh?
That is half inch. I'm taking that belt. I know.
A special
Okay.
thing Byron made up to keep the sockets from falling out. Pretty clever.
Got thing on here. Put a keeper through there.
Yeah.
Okay. Drop it down on there. Try to keep it in your fingers. Like that.
Keeps it nice and snug.
Keeps that down snug.
Yeah.
You do it, just
Wow.
push that up. Pull it out.
Wow. Pretty
Put it
nice.
down on in.
I was trying to convince Dick.
Charlie, you made these beans, right?
Charlie's wife.
We stay here long enough, we'll find out.
And homemade biscuits? Wow.
Kathy's biscuits.
Kathy made those?
Biscuits.
Wow. Homemade jam even too, right?
That's right.
Wow.
I smell yogurt that.